All right, here we go. Question number 15 from our 0314 homework number 6 in MyLab Math. And the instructions say rationalize the denominator. Now, what that phrase means, rationalize the denominator, it means to get the square root or the radical out of the denominator. And the way this problem is written, it may not be apparent that there is a radical in the denominator until we use a property of radicals that says if I square root an entire fraction, I can actually separate that and do the square root of the top and bottom separately. And now you can see that it is obvious that there is a square root in the denominator, and I need to know how to get rid of that. Okay, so anytime that you need to get rid of a square root in the denominator, you just want to multiply by itself. Okay, so if I've got a square root of 2, I don't want the square root in the denominator. I'm going to multiply square root of 2 times itself. Now, whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So he's going to get a square root of 2 also. And then I can multiply the radicals together. So square root of 11 times square root of 2, that is square root of 22. Square root of 2 times square root of 2, that is square root of 4. And now you're going to see how this gets rid of the square root. By multiplying by itself, it gives me something that is a perfect square, and the square root of 4 is just 2. And therefore, we don't have a square root in the denominator any longer. And now that is done. And you cannot reduce the 22 and 2 because the 22 has a square root and the 2 doesn't. And so those cannot legally be reduced, okay? Now for the good part. If you have a Casio ClassWiz, it will do this for you. All you have to do is type in the original problem and hit equals. Bam, and it does the rationalize for you. So freaking sweet. All right, so here we go. Inputting the answer, fraction first, square root next, move to the bottom, and done. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.